Let me cut to the chase. Is inflation a fear, and are the central banks wrong in their worries about inflation?
No, I think we're getting some upward pressure on inflation now. I think we're moving from a world where you have deflation fears all the time to a world where inflation fears is more likely. But on the inflation, I think not yet. I think it's going to be a little while before we have any kind of meaningful inflation fears. So our forecasts are kind of boring and sideways.
Okay, we don't like boring and sideways on TV. Come on, James, help me. Let's get this chart, which is not boring and sideways. Well, actually, it is, okay? Services and goods sector inflation. Service sector is boring and sideways, but goods sector makes for good TV. OMG, a bout of deflation. Up we go, almost to zero. But we see within a global slowdown, maybe goods inflation pulls back to true deflation. Is that going to happen?
Well, I mean, headline goods inflation, which includes oil, is going to go down as gasoline prices come down with this latest oil price move. The bigger picture, excluding energy, is that you're seeing some upward pressure on goods prices, and that should continue. The trade war could certainly make that worse, and you're running at very high levels of factory utilization worldwide, which can push goods up. But, you know, on the services side, we think there's some categories that are basically keeping things a little calm in healthcare and in housing.